guys, it's Cool Gamer Luke Charlie back again. Today, we're gonna go camping.
Should we bring a football and a volleyball?
Is that right, Mom? Are we going camping?
Bring a football.
Mom, are we going camping? Yeah. Zach, are we going camping?
Dude, brother, we're going camping.
Yeah.
Let me flex.
Oh, look, we're at my uncle's house. And, we're ready. There's Lucky over there, and Amana, who attacked me in my last video. Jade, no, back. Alright guys, here's a tour of my room.
Couple bites.
So, alright, here we go. I got a blanket, a pillow, it's really small. I have my own room. Here's Jordan's room over here. I got my hat up and everything, and I'm gonna need that, put that on. Alright, let's go! Wow, so we got this and this. And where'd it go? Oh, jeez. And all of these, okay. So. Guys, I think we're almost there, are we? Are we almost there?
We're in Nebraska.
Yeah, we're in Nebraska right now. Oh my God, Nebraska!
Guys, look up.
This is cool, gamer dude. Totally.
Oops.
Alright guys, got my hat. What else? Got my got this thing. What do I need to put in it? Brisk? Yeah, I need my brisk. Alright, let's go. Alright. Hi, Auntie Amy.
Hey, baby.
Hi, guys. Hi, Uncle Pete.
Oh, look. It's a gay rat.
Oh, look, it's the guy who said he's gay.
Yo, I'm gay.
Yeah. Want some? This is so cool. Alright. Here to start off another day. Alright guys, so just, oh my gosh. Alright, here we have the wild jay. If they get too close to you, they could be poisonous. So, we have to prevent them from going into the camp. No, I'm dead. No! That's so cool. Look, I found, this guy found a bird nest. I think I could see him. I got it. There you go. Food time. Ah! Sorry, I suck. Oh, he's doing a Snapchat.
You're recording. Do you want me to record? Oh, no, please.
Look at her trying to look all hard. It's so good.
I'll do it.
It is. I love watching.
Hold on, I want to see that. Whoa, look at that. All right, guys. I made a hole, and it's really deep. Oh gosh, guys, it's really deep compared to these holes.
Yeah.
Trust me, guys, it's really deep. And I'm gonna dig myself in it. You ready? All right.
Yeah, but come on, push it all around. Push it all around. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Here, can you go around me? Mom, start looking. Go.
I'm starting to dig now.
Should I pull my shirt out
I don't know.
and just to make it look real?
I don't know.
If I'm just
Sophia.
half a body. Can I try? I don't know, Mom. Or my pants will get all sandy. Mom.
Well, then don't do it.
Wow. Oh.
This took me a lot of time.
Wow.
This
Okay.
took me a short period of time.
All right. Okay. Well, I'm stuck forever. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Aren't you guys cold?
We're going to make you comfy.
Aren't you guys cold?
All right, guys. I'm gonna try to get out. You ready? Oh my gosh! I can't. Help me, Naomi. Help me, please. Please pull me. Ah! Oh! Okay, take out the hole. Take out that hole. Take it out. The hole is still there. Go, turn on. Oh wait, yeah, it's on. Hi. We're gonna go into the woods. Let's go, come on. Let's go. Dumb, I'm scared. Alright guys, everyone is just going into the woods, right?
No, just use 2 flashlights. Because you're killing all the batteries. Have a flashlight, please.
Guys, oh my gosh.
I can't believe you're scared. I'm going in the middle if I can't have a flashlight.
Guys, follow me.
I'm so excited.
Alright, who wants to go first? Jordan? Just lead the way.
Could I have a flashlight then?
I don't have a flashlight.
That's
For
the
you.
flashlight right there.
Yes? Follow me. Over here. Naomi? Naomi? Follow me. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was a lady. Oh gosh. Okay.
Got
Oh,
scared?
it's just wood. Let's go. No, quite. Ew, spider web. Ew. Whoa. Whoa, what is wrong with my flashlight? Jordan, where are we? Jordan, run this way. Oh, I see something. Let's go. Amana! Come on, let's go, Amana.
Oh my god!
Go! Okay, Tom. Okay, you ready? All right. Yeah, I think this is the final day. Mom, is this the final day?
Yeah, we're gonna leave after breakfast.
Oh, we're gonna leave after breakfast. All right. Alright guys, I was just walking in the woods to say goodbye. You know, well, I found Groot. A half, cut in half Groot. Like you see the eyes right there. You see the arms just stretching out. This is really cool. Everything's gonna be gone in a while. Alright, yeah,
In 100 feet.
yeah, I'm just, going to my uncle's house, you know.
Turn left right
Like,
now.
we're almost here at my uncle's house. Come here, Nemi. No? Alright, so we're almost here, at my uncle's house. Yeah, so I've been basically lazy throughout the whole ride. Up there, a drink. Being a nerd, you know.
Go up more. Go up one more, right there.
There you go, right there. Ready? I'm scared.
No, don't do it.
Go, ready?
There's it.
Alright guys, I am finished with the camping trip. And most of my storage space is almost gone. My hair is really weird looking. And like everyone is chilling. Except for the ones who's unpacking. So let's move on. Alright guys, well thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. And if this is your first time watching this channel, my name is Cool Gamer New 23. See you guys next video. Peace. Say bye, Amana. Say bye, Amana.